What's up, guys? In this video I wanted to take a few minutes to show you something that I got recently, and from the title of the video you guys probably already know what that is, and that is a new gun belt. And you can see here, this is an all leather belt from one of my favorite companies, 1791 Gun Leather. You can see their logo there. And full disclosure, they did send me this belt, but if any of you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know that I am a big fan of 1791 Gun Leather holsters. This holster is one of many that I bought. I did not get it sent to me. It's one of the many that I bought, and I really like their products. But they did send this belt to me. One of the things that I wanted to talk about, just to put this gun over here, is why it is important for you to have a solid belt when carrying a firearm. For one thing, that gun is going to be much more stable if you have a holster that is not rocking around all the time. I want to take a few minutes to show you a couple of things about this one. This is in the vintage look along with this holster. Both of these are vintage looks. I love that look. You know, that's just the favorite holster, the favorite design that they have for me. You know, I really love the way that those look. The thing about this belt, if you use the 1791 Gun Leather holsters, you will see that there is virtually no play in that loop. The belt is not much narrower than that loop, and what that's going to do is it's going to help keep that holster from rocking around and keep it much more stable, okay, and which is going to in turn keep your firearm much more stable. This is a very thick piece of leather. I want you to look at that. Okay, you cannot get this kind of quality for a cheaper price, in my opinion. You know, 1791 Gun Leather, they have a reputation of literally just over making their stuff. It's absolutely great. And I know I sound like a sales pitch, guys, but I just wanted to take a few minutes to show this to you. And again, their logo, they do have several different colors available, just depending on what suits your style and what you like. So that is up to you. But if you would, I would appreciate going to the link down in the description. I'm linking this belt where you can go over to their website. Guys, again, full disclosure, they sent me the belt, but I love their products. Okay, I've bought several of their holsters. I've got a lot of the other stuff that they've got. You know, they make good stuff. Okay, this is something that you don't want to skimp on. You want to have a good quality holster, especially if you like leather. They do have Kydex holsters available. For me, I love leather. But guys, just a quick video that I want to do. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know which of the holsters, which of the finishes is your favorite. I'd like to know that down in the comments below. But guys, thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.